In this video, I will be showing you how to add buy button on Shopify. So all you have to do is just simply open or create a Shopify account. So if you don't have one, you just have to go to add web browser and then create your Shopify account. So this is what it is. When you go to products, you should see a buy button here. So how are we going to do that? So this is what Shopify looks like. And to start, all you have to do is to go to settings. And then here, what you want to do is to simply look for apps and sales channels. And then here you have to go to Shopify App Store, and it will take you directly to Shopify App Store where we can find or search for this application that we're looking for. Okay, so go to this search apps, guys, and more, and then type buy button. So click the very first one that appears here, and you will see a different buy buttons application, but you have to click the very first buy button channel that you can see. And another thing, it should be free, and the developer is Shopify. So once done, you can see more instructions here and information about buy button. Then you can click install. Now, once you tap install, it will take you directly to another page where this app needs access to this buy button. So all you have to do is to click install again and wait for a couple of seconds. And then if you go back to your Shopify and go to the left side, you will see the buy button application here. Now, all you have to do is to click this create button, and you will see these two types of buy button: product buy button and collection buy button. So now for this tutorial, we're going to select this product buy button here. Now we're going to select a product here, for example, my perfume product, and then select this wine. Now on the left side, you can simply, edit everything here, like the layout style. This is the basic view, this is a classic view, and the full view. Everything is up to you, but for me, I want to use this classic view here. Actions, when people click, this is where we're going to select this buy or direct to checkout. So as you can see, there is this buy now here. Okay, the buy button. So you have to select this direct to checkout. Now for the button style, you can change the button corners if you want. Also the button width if you want to enlarge this button right here. And then for the colors, you can change this from green to whatever color you wish that matches to your product if you want. Button text, you can change the button text here if you want to turn it to white or any color. It's up to you. And then aside from that, from the button corners and width and colors, you can also change the font text. Okay, so you can choose from any of this here for your button text, and then the size. You can also change the size here. Okay, everything is up to you. Now, once you're okay with this, what you want to do is to simply go to the right side and then tap next. So here, what you want to do here is to locate this copy code. Okay, just click this copy code here. And then once you click this copy code, now you can go back to your Shopify homepage or your page to be exact, and then paste this copy code. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And let's just say if you wanted to add this buy button under footer, okay, or template or image banner or anywhere here, you can just simply tap it. Add this to the footer section. So all I have to do is to click add section here, tap this custom liquid, and then as you can see above, we have here liquid code. This is where you're going to paste the code. Okay, once done, click save, and that's it. You just have to wait for a couple of seconds or minutes and it will appear right here. So this is what it looks like. We have got a product and the buy now button. As easy as that. When people click this one, it will take them directly to the payment method. But as you can see, I'm currently using the basic version, so I cannot let you see it. But in case that I have that, or once my store is ready, if they tap this one buy button, then it will take them directly to the payment method where they need to put their information such as their name, their last name, their address, and also their payment method or provider. Okay, so let me show you an example for that. If the customer click this one, then it will take them directly to this, their contact number, delivery, address, shipping method, and payment method. Okay, and that's it. So that's it. That's how easy it is. If you want to add a buy button to your product or to your Shopify store. Now, this is not only for product. You can also, add button to collection. So let's just say you want to create a button for your collection. What you want to do is to click this create button again and then click this collection buy button. So let's just say my perfume collection here. Click select. And then this is what it looks like. And it's the same thing. What you want to do is to change this action when people click to direct to checkout. Okay. So for button style, you can change button style here, button corners, button width, the color of the background if you want to change it. And also for the button text, if you want to change the button text color, everything is up to you. Okay, and then here for your text, you can change the font and the size. Okay, so once done, what you want to do next is just simply click this next button at the top right corner. Now, this time, we're not going to paste this code to our Shopify store. Instead, we're going to paste it on our Wix website. Actually, you can do it also to your WordPress website. So this is my Wix website. All you have to do is to simply select that website here. So go to site and apps and then go to website and edit this site right here. Wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing. So once you're here, what you want to do is to look for this plus button on the left side. Okay, see this one here. Now scroll down till you see or till you find this embed code. Okay, tap this one and then click this embed HTML and then tap this. Now, next is to just simply paste the code that we had copied earlier. Okay, and then click update. Now you have to wait for a couple of seconds or minutes till you see this one. Okay, it's right here. Now, what you want to do is to simply, put it anywhere you wish. If you want to put below here, and you can delete this part and then put right here and then resize it so you see that buy now button. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Now, what I'm going to do here is to delete this part. Okay, let me delete this. Okay, Control Z again to undo. Okay, delete this and then put it right here. Okay, and that's it. Now it's so visible and you can see the product and the buy now button. So that's it. Now, if you have found this video helpful, please like and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.